demo, I will be showing you guys how to connect to OpenVPN to use your own terminal with. In this demonstration, I'll be using a Kali VM. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna be using the machine Precious at Hack the Box. First things first, we want to make sure that we spawn our machine so we get an IP. So as you guys can see, I already spawned this machine. This is my target IP. Just so you guys could have a visual, you guys are gonna have a machine. I mean, not a machine, a button that says spawn machine. That's what you want to press so you guys could start the machine that you guys want to connect to. Right? So once you spawn that machine, it's gonna provide a target IP. Once we have a target IP, we'll press connect. We're gonna go to machines. After machines, we're gonna go to this tab, OpenVPN. Then we're gonna scroll down. Then we're gonna have two options between UDP and TCP. So the difference between these protocols, UDP does not verify if the packets got to the endpoint, right? And then TCP does verify, but it's a little bit slower than UDP. Okay, so that's and for in my opinion, it's a little bit more stable, more reliable for doing these machines. Okay, so we're gonna use TCP in this demonstration. Click TCP, then we're gonna download the config file. Download. As you can see, it downloaded machines EU BIP 17 3 in parentheses dot OVPN. Okay, and the way we find this in Kali, we're gonna minimize this browser, and then I have a terminal right here. We're gonna CD change directories to downloads. We're gonna enter. We're gonna list the directories and the files that are inside this directory by using ls. We're going to locate the config file machines EU VIP 17 3 in parentheses dot OVPN. So the command that we want to use to initialize the configuration file is going to be sudo OpenVPN --config, and then you're gonna whatever file you have. This is where you plug in your file. So for me, it's gonna be machines 3, right? 3, and then after you have this command set up with your file, you press enter. This time it didn't prompt me to use my password, but for you it will probably prompt you to use your password. You type it in, press enter, and then you're gonna get to this output. The way you can make sure that this was successful, you look down here where it says, these. You want to look at these 4 last lines. You're gonna look for initialization sequence completed. Once you see that, that means you were successful connecting to the machine. If you want to verify further, you're gonna open another terminal, and the way that you get these tabs on the session is that you go to view, and then you click show tab bar, and then if you want another tab, you just press new tab, and as you can see, it adds a tab here. So that'll help you to stay organized, and you could run different tools while you're trying to pawn these machines. So let's verify that we could communicate with the machine we're trying to connect to. And we're gonna do that by using the ping command and then option C. So option C is gonna that's the number of packets I want to send. So in this case, I'm gonna be sending 4 packets to 10.10.11.189. So this is gonna send 4 packets. So it's sent 4 packets were transmitted, 4 were received, and 0 were lost. So that means we're good to go. We have a connection. Okay. Then we could run Nmap options SCV. You could even verify even further. Right? Just this is extra. This is bonus footage for you guys. Let's see what we got. What kind of ports we got to open to start this on this machine. All right, cool. We got port 22 and 80 TCP, 22 being SSH. It gives you the version, Debian protocol 2.0, whatever, SSH keys, RSA, CDSA, yada yada yada. Port 80 TCP, that's HTTP, right? Running server Nginx 1.18.0. And then Linux kernel and other stuff. But that's for another video. So I already hooked you guys up with enough information. So that's how you run the command to connect using OpenVPN and verify your connection using OpenVPN and the commands and the ping command to verify what is the difference between those 2 protocols that you have to which one you want to choose, which UDP or TCP. One is faster, no, it doesn't check if the packages were received. And then the other, which is TCP, it's reliable and it will make sure that your package are your packages get there and they get there in order. So yeah, this has been my demonstration of how to use OpenVPN while trying to do the hack the box machines. Good luck, and if you guys have any comments, leave your comments, and if you like it, thumbs up, and if you don't like it, it's all good. All right, have a good day. Bye.